Today, we'll talk about how to deliver bombs and rockets. Once you're ready, press spacebar to continue. First, you have to turn the master arm switch to the on position. Keep this step in mind because it is the first step to operate any weapon. Confirm you have turned the highlighted master arm switch. Then, click on the AG button to enter the air-to-ground mode. We are now in the air-to-ground mode. After entering the air-to-ground mode, your left display will automatically show the weapon selection page and the types of two weapons on the screen's top. You need to choose a delivery mode for your bomb. Select CCIP button to activate the CC click M fuse to enter select VT to good. Now press HT repeatedly to choose cluster bomb's delivery height. The bomb's current parameters are shown in the lower display. Click the button to 1500. Now observe the head-up display and you'll find a vertical green line. When you dive down, a small cross mark will be shown at the green line's end, and it is your target site. Aim the cross mark on the target and press the red weapon release button at the level's top to deliver bomb. We're now in level flight, so we cannot yet see the target site. Press spacebar to continue. You have finished weapon configuration. Next, observe the ground right ahead. I have activated several targets of red smoke mark, and the cross track in the middle of the red smoke mark is your weapon range located at waypoint 14. Sight and find the range, then press spacebar to continue. The target stands on the track's end, at the northeast corner, marked by blue smoke mark. Press spacebar and I will end the fighter's dynamic suspension. Then fly along the navigation frame and start to dive. Meanwhile, aim CCIP sight at the target and deliver bombs to destroy it. Now you have control. Follow the navigation frame and dive toward the target. Aim and drop the bomb at the right time. You're approaching the target. When the crosshair appears, aim the target and press weapon release button.
Altitude.
Bombs away.
Altitude.
Pull up now. Abort. Pull up. You're diving at an overload and target destroyed. Well done. Now, elevate to a safe altitude and change into level 4. Then press spacebar to start next section. how to operate rockets. Click the highlighted 68S in the left display and choose Rocket. Enter the page and you will find that the CCIP mode is selected. The SGL button represents single delivery and SAL button represents salvo. If you select SGL, now look at the HUD. The ring in the middle is the side ring for the rockets. When you enter the range, sign in range will show about the range, implying the rocket is in the range. You must fire the rocket now. Remember the weapon range a while ago? I marked the target with green smoke mark. Press spacebar, enable N, the dynamic suspension. Turn to the range, find and destroy the target with rockets. Now you have control. Find the weapon range, waypoint 14, and destroy the target, marked by green smoke mark.
Altitude.
Target hit. Nice. You've completed all the trainings. Next is free practice. A batch of fresh targets will be set in the weapon range and you may shoot them with any weapon. Or press escape to quit.